Hey guys, before the video starts, I just wanted to thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. I know my videos in the past have not been, the most high quality, but I'm still learning how YouTube works and how to edit. So, if you guys would just, subscribe and like, I know for a fact my quality of content is going to go higher and higher as I progress. So, if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. Enjoy the video, please. I made this in like an hour, so it's not the highest quality. Anyways, goodbye guys.